It's time for Air Fryer Friday.
And today we are air frying up some extra crispy eggplant.
That's right. And we're taking that extra crispy eggplant and making the most amazing eggplant parmesan.
Oh, it is so good. And your family will be like, wait a minute, this wasn't done in the air fryer. Wait a minute.
Wait one moment. You guys, it's Friday.
It's Friday.
We're
air
sorta
frying Friday.
So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My air frying Loon.
That's right.
We're not
Where's
deep frying.
my oil?
I know. It's just air. So you guys, this is great. You know we love to fry. You know that. And so
Yes.
we're going to, but we're also.
We want a little healthier version
We're going
of
to do a little healthy version. We're going to show you this. It's so restaurant quality and it's so unbelievably easy and fast.
It really is. When you made it the first time, I was like, nuh-uh.
He said that.
Nuh-uh.
Okay, nuh-uh. So we're going to start off with some eggplant. We're feeding ourselves,
Yes.
the two of us. So you can do that with one eggplant. You can easily double or triple this recipe. So I got my eggplant. I cut it into like half-inch slices. You want them kind of good and meaty.
Yeah.
And then you don't have to do this, but it softens them up just a little bit. I put them in a colander and then sprinkle both sides with some salt and let them sit in that colander over a bowl for anywhere from like 15 minutes to 30 minutes, kind of while you're getting the other stuff prepped. It just softens it up a little bit. It's nice. We all like things to get softened up a little bit. So then
plenty soft.
So then we take it over to the sink and we just spray it. You don't want that excess salt off of there. And then I use the paper towel just to pat them dry. And here we go.
Yay.
So let me just talk about this real quick before we move on to this fabulous contraption.
Yeah.
I've got our standard dread station. We've got our flour. We've got egg with a little bit of water in there. I've got some breadcrumbs. We love panko because they're extra crunchy and crispy.
Yes.
You can use regular. I happen to have Italian panko breadcrumbs on hand, which is good. And then this is some Parmesan cheese. That's like a quarter cup. That was a couple cups of the breadcrumbs. And then I know they're already got some seasoning in it, but I love the Italian seasoning. So I'm putting, that's a teaspoon of oregano in there, dried oregano, and then just a nice little pinch of salt. And we're just going to mix that together. And this is going to be that exterior breading that is just, like Wesley said, gets insanely crunchy.
That's right.
Super, super good.
All right.
Okay, now I'm going to start dredging.
Well, do one and then I'll get this thing to heat up.
Well, I think everyone.
Oh, you know what? Actually, let me do that.
Everyone has seen this.
We
We do the flour, then we do the eggs, and then we do that. Yeah, so go ahead.
And I'm going to heat this thing up, this contraption up for about 3 minutes just to get it warmed up.
So this is
air fry. We're gonna go. I actually want this at 375.
So this is a Ninja. There are so many. Whatever air fryer you've got or whatever you're in the market for, this is a good one. But they're all very, very similar. And we'll have a link to this one in the description.
Yeah.
But one thing I will tell you is that you want to.
Sorry.
One thing that you want to do is have all of this ready and have everything to go, because there's so many great things about air frying, but one of the best things is that it's so fast. You cannot believe how quickly it all comes together.
And this little ninja, she does everything. She's air broils, she air roasts.
She's a good little ninja.
She is. But we are air frying today.
We are. And I'm telling you, this...
Wow.
It's just amazing how, well, you'll see.
Look at that.
You'll see. I know, that's great.
Yeah. And your marinara. He's got his marinara heating over there on the oven.
Yeah.
Oh.
So so we'll talk about that. I'm gonna give this a double whammy. I don't care. I like it extra crispy. If we're not gonna
do it.
We're not deep frying, and I'm telling you, this is just it's really healthy.
So
it's good for you.
So good.
And okay, I know I'm taking a little time.
That's all right. I'm gonna do this. Here we go. All right.
Now, if you were going to do this and you wanted to do more than this, you can fry these up and then just keep them warm in a low temperature oven. No problem whatsoever.
Yay!
And these are good. These
Those
are good.
look good. All right. Am I warmed up?
Are you?
Oh, I think it's good enough.
What I'm going to do...
All right.
Now
You're still not done.
I'll close. You never want to put... You may think, I'm going to spray the basket. Don't ever do that.
Yeah, don't spray your basket.
It's not good. Yeah.
It's nonstick already.
Whatever you do, don't spray your basket. But you can spray...
the food.
Your food. And yes, because then what it does is it just helps make it feel like it's really been deep fried and
I can't believe how much I love this, and it's not meat.
I know.
It's
and that's the other
ridiculous.
thing. It's vegetarian. All right. Have you got your basket open?
I don't. It's still a little. That's all right. We can do this now.
Oh, it's not warmed up yet?
Yeah, it's pretty warmed up. It's
Well, then let's wait. Let's wait 2
right,
seconds.
we're gonna wait for it to warm up.
It's because I'm such a fast dredger.
Okay, all
perfect.
right, hold on. Let me open this up. We are warmed up and ready to go.
Fantastic. Now I'm
Look
just
at
going to
that.
lower those in there.
Yay!
This is
looks so
so much fun. So we're going to be giving you lots and lots of air fryer recipes. Get ready because they're the best, and we are in love with them.
We are. All right.
So how long is it going to go?
Air fryer again. We are warmed up. We're going to go down to we're going to go down to 20.
He's
not
doing this
20.
backwards,
yes.
so it's a little
We're going to go
challenging.
down to 8 minutes, but
8 minutes.
you can do it. You can also do it. Do it for less time, and if it looks brown, like the brown that you want it, then you can just stop it.
If it's gotten,
Yeah.
that's the great thing about air frying is that it's not like the oven. Like you don't open the oven. You can check on it as much as you want. So
I don't
minutes.
usually handle this thing, so I'm a little nervous.
That's how easy it is to handle. All right, let's get going. Oh, it smells.
All right.
Great.
I've got a couple of minutes left, but I just want to make sure that we're not overdoing them.
Yeah,
Let's
keep
just
an
take a
eye
look.
on them.
Oh, I think that's good.
That is beautiful.
All right, so let's say 6 minutes instead of
6 to 8 to 10. I mean, they vary.
Let's stop it right now, and
Okay.
we're going to. Now we're going to flip them over.
We're gonna
'cause
do
you
the
need
old
to get
flip.
the other side too.
Yep.
All right, here, I can just do this.
I think I can.
Are they hot?
They're fine.
Oh,
I mean,
look at me, all tender fingers.
well,
over
you
here.
are tender-fingered. But anyway, you could certainly use forks or just don't scratch this. It's non-stick, so be very, very careful.
All right, so we're just going to put that in for another 2. Oh, let me
Probably
just,
2 minutes is all you need. See what I mean? How quick? I mean, make sure the kids are in from playing once you get started because it comes together fast.
All right, let's see. Hold on, I'm just making sure. There we go, 2 minutes.
Okay,
All right.
so now I've got over here, this is my homemade marinara sauce. This stuff is,
The bee's
it's
knees.
really good, and we love it so much, I make giant batches of it and then freeze it. And then you can have it anytime you want it.
Yes.
Of
We always
course.
do have it for like a bare bones pasta night, we call it. Meaning we're not in the mood for any meat or anything. We just throw that on some pasta and there it's done.
Which is when are you not in the mood for me? But anyway,
Today, obviously.
I know. So, but the point being, just get a good quality marinara. If you don't want to make it from scratch, no problem.
From scratch, it's so easy. It took him like 30 minutes.
Well, it takes about 30 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes. Anyway, and you can do it, and the best thing is do it like the day before, and it makes enough that you can have this all week, and we probably will. So, okay, are we getting close?
I think you know what? We did it a minute. This has been going faster than what I ever thought it would be. What do you think, Chris?
I think those look good. I mean, they could go a little longer.
Yeah, let's just put
So
it
anyway, so now what we're going to do traditionally, well, these are cooked so perfectly. What you could do, and I've done this and I love it, is then take because you've fried them basically, you've air fried them. You could do a whole bunch of them and put them if you're serving a lot of people, put them in a dish. Do the way you would normally do eggplant parmesan. Our regular eggplant parmesan, which is one of our most popular recipes on the blog, has layers of mozzarella and layers of the fried zucchini and all of that. You could do that separately, but we're going to kind of
we're going to put the layers on right in here.
We're going to stack them, and we're going to have fun.
I'm mesmerized by this.
It is
whole
mesmerizing.
Thing. All right,
and then,
I'm going to check this.
Okay, so we've got some
20
good
seconds. Let's
some
stop.
good quality mozzarella. We like shredded. You could do sliced, but shredded works really well. And I'm so excited.
There we go. Oh, those look really good, Chris.
Okay,
All right.
so now what
Come
we're
on
going to
over
do
here.
I'm going to come on
Yeah,
over,
just move it on over.
and I'm just going to put a nice little layer of the marinara right on top.
Y'all, look at that.
And we're going to just let our air fryer kind of act as the oven and continue baking this. And literally, it takes hardly 3 minutes, I think.
And I'm adding some cheese.
Yeah.
Because I need some cheese.
Just add a nice big help. I'd say that's probably anywhere. Well, with Wesley doing, it's probably like a quarter cup. And then we're going to sprinkle a little Parm cheese on top
That's not
of
a
that.
quarter cup.
No, I know. It's probably a couple tablespoons. Just a good healthy pinch.
Oh, the dogs need a little cheese.
Okay.
All right. How's that?
All right, and then we covered that with a little Parmesan cheese. We're going to put, now you change the setting,
now
right?
we're going to go to bake. This is so exciting. If you don't have bake, I'm sure you could just do air fryer.
No, I'm
again
not.
for
yes, you definitely can. You
okay.
could just do it as air fry it.
All right, let me
for
find
like 2 or 3 minutes.
my bake. And we're doing bake at 375. And we're gonna do that for, let's do it for how many minutes? 2 minutes, Chris?
2 minutes or 3 minutes should be good.
Let's do 3 minutes.
Okay.
Till it's nice and brown.
All right.
Open it up and check it though. Make sure that it's not getting too brown.
Okay, look how fast
smells
this came
amazing
together.
in
It
here.
does. Oh my gosh.
All right, we've got our little plates of marinade.
We got a little pool of marinara.
Hopefully I don't stick my elbow in it.
Try not to.
All right, let's see what she looks like.
Oh, beautiful.
She is perfect.
So see how
Hold
they
on, let me move my, there we go.
got slightly, just got a little brown on the top.
Look at that. You can actually bring that over to you if you want.
Okay. All right, I probably should.
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm doing this at a weird angle, so forgive me.
Here you go. Yes.
Now, we're gonna do them because we're hungry. We're gonna double stack them.
Yeah. Why wouldn't we?
I know it. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
That is just so gorgeous.
Oh,
Now
wow.
we're gonna top it with just a little more cheese. Lovely. And then of course I gotta
You
do
are
my.
reaching.
I'm reaching for
There we go.
a little
That's
bit of parsley.
gorgeous.
That
That's
is so
gorgeous.
beautiful.
All right, here, I'm going to bring this over here. You
Oh,
can get that
okay,
over.
thank you.
Look at that.
It's just so glorious, and I am a nut for eggplant parm. And the first time we made this, I don't know, a few years ago, and we're like, this is incredible. And when we decided, as a suggestion by you guys, that we should start doing more air fryer recipes, we're like, let's start with our favorite.
Let's do it. Look at that, you guys.
That's
Oh.
like something you'd see at like a really fancy restaurant.
All right, I'm going for it.
I know.
Okay.
I'm gonna move mine
Oh, wow.
off. So crunchy.
Oh, I went too deep, Chris.
Did you go too deep? You're brave.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
You guys. Okay. I can only do one, though.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that's good and cheesy. That's the way you like it.
Gosh. Okay.
Blow on it. Here we go. It's eggplant parmesan. You serve that to your guests, no one would say, you made that in the air fryer, didn't you?
That is nuts. I've got to have another bite.
I know. I know. Everything about this
Wow.
is amazing. It's easy, it's fast, it's healthier, and above all,
It's delicious. Oh, my
I think
stars.
it's maybe one other thing.
It's 10,000% Loon approved. That's ridiculous.
You guys, we are in love with our air fryer.
Yeah.
And we hope you are too. We're going to give you so many great recipes.
Yes. And there's a link. We got a link to this air fryer if you want to get that one too.
All right. Bye, everybody. Air fryer, your troubles away.